Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get a new wallet address on Coinbase. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Coinbase, just click on the sign up option in the upper right corner. And from here, all you have to do is just choose the type of account that you wanted to create. It could be individual, business, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Okay, so generating a new wallet address can help enhance your privacy by creating a fresh address that is not linked to your previous transactions. This means it can make it more challenging for others to track your transaction history and associate with your activities with a single address. Now, by regularly generating new wallet addresses, it can be a good way to have a secured practice, especially if you suspect that your current address may have been compromised or if you are concerned about potential vulnerabilities. By using a new address, you reduce the risk of unauthorized access or fraudulent activity. Now, on your account, just hover here on the option wherein click on the ellipsis option right here and click on wallet. All right. Now, as you can see, you have an option to create a new wallet. It's a very straightforward process because from here, it will allow you to separate different types of transactions. For example, you might use one address for personal transactions and another for business related activities, right? Now, this organizational approach can help you better track and manage your finances. Now, all you have to do is just click on the create new wallet option here. And from here, it's very simple. You just have to follow the on-screen instructions. Like, you understand that if you lose any recovery phrase, you lose all of the crypto in your wallet, all right? And you need click on that and hover down to continue. And as you can see, you just have to choose 12 of it and click on submit, all right? Now, again, in the event that you are having problem getting a new wallet address here on Coinbase, just go here at the help support center, or you can even hover down to the very bottom where it says you can contact us option right here. Click on it and just choose the proper category, especially the Coinbase wallet. As you can see, if you suspect your account has been compromised, you can call the customer support. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.